Hello everyone, and welcome for another video lesson on how to compute the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons in a neutral atom. For this lesson, you will be needing your periodic table of elements. We have here calcium, which has the symbol of Ca, Ne, neon, helium, He, argon, Ar, oxygen, O, and silicon, Si. Mass number, or atomic mass, is defined as the sum of the number of protons and neutrons, while the atomic number is based on the number of protons in an atom. For calcium, we have an atomic mass of 40. Neon has 20, helium has 4, argon has 40, oxygen 16, and silicon 28. You might notice that in your periodic table, the atomic masses are not expressed in whole numbers, but in this table, we rounded them off so that calculation would be easier. Let's review. Proton is the positively charged subatomic particle, while electron is the negatively charged subatomic particle, and neutron has no charge, meaning it is neutral. Now let's talk about the atomic number of the elements. Calcium, we have 20, neon 10, helium 2, argon 18, oxygen 8, and silicon 14. Here is proton. Take note that the number of proton represents the atomic number of element. So whatever is the atomic number, that is automatically the number of protons. Okay? Atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So calcium has an atomic number of 20, therefore its proton number is 20. Neon has 10, proton number is 10. Helium is 2. You have 18 for argon, 8 for oxygen, and 14 for silicon. Alright, so since we are talking about neutral atoms, right, and not ions, we have to remember that whatever is the proton number, that is also the number of electrons. Alright, for a neutral atom, proton number is equal to the number of electrons. So let's just copy. Okay. We have 10 for neon. Of course, we have 2 for helium, argon 18, oxygen 8, and silicon 14. Now let's go to the number of neutron. How do we solve for the number of neutron? We have this formula. Number of neutron is equal to the atomic mass of an element minus the atomic number, or atomic mass minus proton number. And that will give you the number of neutrons in an atom. Right? So for calcium, we have an atomic mass of 40. Minus 20, we'll have 20. Alright? We have 10 here. 4 minus 2, we have 2. Argon, 40. Minus 18, we have 22. 16 minus 8, it will give you 8. And 28 minus 14 will give you 14. And this is how you're going to check if you got the correct answer. Alright, so we have here 10 plus 10. We have 20 atomic mass for neon. 2 plus 2 atomic mass for helium. 18. So we have 40. 8 plus 8, and you'll come up with the atomic mass of oxygen. 14 plus 14, that will give you 28, which is the atomic mass of silicon.